What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a quick tutorial for you guys. I will be showing you how I do my eyebrows with a soap bar. And yeah, it's a little weird, but I'm pretty sure you guys will enjoy it, so just keep watching. So the first thing I do is I grab my bar of soap. This is a dial soap and it's really cheap. I think it's like 2 for $1, and I just get them because they're clear and they really make my eyebrows look really good. So yeah. The next thing you're going to use is a spoolie. I like this one from Benefit, but I'm pretty sure you can use any spoolie. I use the eyebrow pomade from Anastasia and a little eyebrow brush with a little spoolie on the side, a concealer, and a brush to blend everything out. So like I said, I use a little dial soap. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wet my spoolie. I have a little bowl right here with water. And I'm just going to dip in my spoolie in the water. And then I'm going to grab my bar of soap. And I'm going to make like sort of a paste consistency. I'm going to take the spoolie and I'm just going to press the product in like this. So after I have enough product, so you're going to look straight ahead into your mirror and you're going to grab the spoolie like this, and then you're going to start to pull the hairs right up. The soap method is so crazy. Like, I didn't even know it was a thing. They look a little crazy at first. To show you. And then after I have all the hairs up, I'm going to start bringing some of them down like this. Just to make sure my eyebrows don't look super wild. Now I'm just going to wait for my eyebrows to dry and I'll be right back. Okay, now that your eyebrows are all dry, you can start to fill them in lightly with a little bit of your pomade. And I'm just doing light strokes like this, just to make sure that it resembles my hair. Okay, now I'm going to get closer to this side, and then I'm going to start filling it in as well. At the hairs up here, I'm going to grab my brush flat like this, and then I'm going to flick it up. Now I'm going to take my concealer and my flat brush, and I'm just going to clean up the bottom. And I'm going to clean it up super lightly because I don't want it to look harsh. Ooh, my eyebrows are looking so cute. Okay, and then to finish the look, I'm going to put highlighter right underneath just to make my eyebrows pop a little bit more. So I'm going to take my highlighter and a little fluffy brush, and I'm going to apply this highlighter right under my brow. Alright guys, final result right here. Like I said, really quick and easy. You actually don't need to fill in your eyebrows that much because the soap just kind of helps it look like they're a little bit more full and fluffy, so it's super nice. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go see Hustlers now. I'm really excited. My friends and I are going, so I hope you guys have a great week, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.